Hi guys, welcome to Gardening with Friends. Today I'd like to show you how a very simple project, planting a single pot, can turn into much more complex. Only if you, like me, can't let go. And Marcus is here, of course, to help me as always with my task today. Hey Marcus. I have a couple of very nice native plants. Cimicifuga on the left, Chocoholic with beautiful chocolatey leaves, and on the right, bug bean, very nicely contrasting each other. I got Chocoholic quite some time ago, and it was planted in a different location and didn't grow at all. So I transferred it here to this place last fall, and it seems to be doing very well and will start blooming shortly. Bug bean is just done blooming. I got another native plant, goat's beard, Aruncus, and I wanted to plant it next to the other two. I got it on sale for $3.
I dug the hole and unexpectedly I bumped into concrete pole. It used to be fence here a long time ago, and now it revealed itself. This is a perfect spot. I can't plant anything to the left as I have a bunch of plants there, and neither to the right. What to do now?
I went to the store and got pinch point bar, pretty handy. I was able to remove quite a bit of this concrete pole, and I wanted to remove a little more, break it a little more, so I can plant it on top. I removed pretty sizable chunks of concrete, almost full bucket. I think now I have enough space for the roots to grow. I'm just gonna plant it.
Now it's in a perfect spot, and I'm sure I'll find a good use for a pinch bar.